All right. Is this recording? I hate it when you just don't have something. Yeah, it is recording. All right. I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm using another tool here because I need to record the screen. I can't actually use the same tool to do it. So I'm recording detail here, and I just wanted to go over the markers and how powerful and how cool they are, because I don't think people realize how fast this can speed things up. And Google really prioritizes on search chapters inside of videos. How many times have you been looking for a piece of information inside a video instead of somebody giving you the life story or a recipe about something, and you get 5 minutes of like chat before you get the recipe? Google's really good at like breaking all that down and jumping straight into a chapter. Like, it listens to the video, knows what it's being said, and you're doing a search for that particular term, jumps to it. So Detail has got these great chapters. You can put a chapter in just by clicking on it, I think. Yeah. And then when you click on the actual chapter marker, you can put in a bit of text. I'm going to delete this one. But if I select one of these other ones, you can see I'll put in the physical checks and still I have a hum. This is like a little video I did about the background of setting up to record a video. Can be kind of laborious. Anyway, these are all markers, but they're also chapters that when I export the video, when I upload it, from uploading it to Details Cloud, I can push it to YouTube and it'll put the chapters inside the description text field. So I'll quickly show you what that looks like. That's inside here. So all of these chapters are time markers. And so Google loves these, because if I put some text in there, Google might jump straight to a certain section and then people might watch the rest of the video or go through this kind of list to do it. So instead of having to generate this yourself, which used to be not a nice experience, and you end up with like chapters under here at the bottom, which is just nice and neat and really cool. I love chapters a lot. So I had a bit of an issue earlier on with Detail doing the upload to YouTube. It's not as efficient as it's not reliable, it's not consistent yet. Hopefully they fix that. But one of the things you can do is, once you put all your markers in, you can actually go up to timeline, copy markers as text, and it gives you all of those markers that you've set up as you're going. So you can just do copy and then just do copy and paste onto the description on the video on YouTube, which is fire. Another thing is that you can just be playing this and you can press M on your keyboard to mark a certain section. So what I did with this video is I watched it back, and then as I was getting to a new section, I would sort of rewind it a bit, press M and type in a bit of a description. So it's kind of a good way of like rewatching the video, see if there's any mistakes, see if you want to cut it. Also, I'm realizing that there's a total different way of using this video editor, Detail, in that I can record everything, and then if I want to like create a split clip here, this clip, I can then say I want this clip to switch it to a different scene. So I can actually switch that scene into a other scene that I've used at the bottom after I've done the recording, which is fire. So I don't know why I missed that, but like you've got me talking away here, and then I switch to a different scene which shows my desktop at the bottom and then the camera at the top. So really cool creative way of jazzing up a video and making it a little bit more different. And after you've done one edit of widescreen and uploaded it into the cloud, you can also just click on a button at the top left here and make it a vertical video. So that works really nice. You can see the differences here with the vertical in terms of the split. So it's 1/3 of the webcam and then 2/3 of the desktop that it's capturing. Obviously you see me again here because it was on screen at the time, but very cool tool. There's a lot of tools that are coming out. Aitum is what I was talking about in this video, which enables you to put vertical at the side. Always something that happens noise related, isn't it, when you're recording a video? Now I have a helicopter or a plane going over, so I'm going to finish up this video because it's completely thrown me off. But really cool tools out there. Aitum's really good for putting a vertical to the right hand side with a widescreen on the left hand side, and Detail's really good for doing recordings right away and then also editing the scene afterwards. Not only is it noisy, it's right over the top, not to the left, not to the right. Unbelievable. this is one of the things about content creation. You can never get the perfect time. There's always something interrupting the process. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. I thought it was a cool little add-on. And if you're looking to put chapters into content, I think you can even import video into Detail and do this, which might be really helpful for people who get a bit overwhelmed with jumping into YouTube and doing these markers. This is a much faster way of doing it.